Okay.
Governor, what makes you think this issue with the sheriffs and the troopers can be resolved now? That tension has been around for so long.
Well, you know, I don't know that anybody ever thought we could get all the university presidents to work together and decide who gets a slice of the pie to do capital improvements, and I'm not sure we ever thought we could have a medical corridor and get hospitals that normally compete against each other to work together, and even to get Republicans and Democrats to work together in the legislature. So you just have to push for it, because it's a missed opportunity to not have everybody in law enforcement airing their differences and working together. And, people in the state wouldn't even know this was an issue. I didn't know it was an issue till one day I was in one of the counties, and I was able to discover the friction that exists between sheriffs and the patrol. But it's something that can be resolved, and we have good leadership at the top. So I've asked our leadership, I've asked Colonel Charles, who's been around 1,000 years, to work with the top leaders of the sheriffs and see if we can get this resolved. I know it's been a frustration for the Attorney General, and he's with me on this, and we'll push at it. Come on in, Mike. We'll push at it, and we'll get it done. You want to say anything about that issue? That's why he's calling his conference, though. He wants the people to work together.
No, I think the problem with the sheriffs and the patrol is sometimes overblown and exaggerated. It does exist, but what we have to keep in mind is that every day in the state, every single day, highway patrol, members of the highway patrol and sheriff's deputies are working together. I mean, it happens every single day. They'll make a stop on the highway in regard to drugs. There'll be cooperation then between the patrol and the sheriff's office. So contact goes on all the time. Is there some friction? Yes. It's gone back as long as, back when I was a county prosecuting attorney, there was some friction. But we don't want to over-exaggerate it, but we also want to try to, frankly, work on cooperation at all levels. And I think, when we look at what we're trying to accomplish today, it is an understanding of what resources are out there to begin with. Sometimes people don't understand. One agency doesn't know what another agency has. So there's a lot of cooperation already going on. We're simply trying to take it by this conference today to a much higher level.
Governor.